Companies worldwide are facing a rapid evolution in business trends and practices. Demographic pressures, shifting consumer priorities, and demand for sustainable solutions are creating challenges across every industry. This has inspired a shift towards cloud-connected software solutions and data-driven approaches. The Autodesk Platform is Autodesk's solution to address today's challenges, providing customers with the capabilities they need, when they need them, more efficiently. Autodesk Platform Services, or APS, is the foundation of Autodesk's platform. A set of APIs and web services, APS helps you unlock the value of your design and make data, and build custom end-to-end workflows, and connect your processes, applications, and enterprise software. Autodesk Platform Services is built on an open, industry-standard frameworks and provides a growing set of secure, robust services that support millions of API calls per day. Developers use these APIs to build solutions that automate processes, connect teams and workflows, and visualize their design and make data, bridging the gap between disciplines and industries. Today, companies use APS to build digital twins that prevent costly errors, integrate AR and VR to visualize insights, create product catalogs and configurators that eliminate rework, automate design processes to improve collaboration, integrate SaaS products with their ERP systems to bridge industry gaps, and use AI to visualize and derive actionable insights from design and make data. APS has a team of certified partners ready to help you build customer solutions from scratch, or an app marketplace to leverage pre-built solutions to quickly connect gaps. Autodesk Platform Services gives you the tools you need to design and make a better world. Try Autodesk Platform Services for free today.